A Free TV Satellite TV Guide. Chapter 1. Free TV. Old analog TV descramblers don't work for digital cable TV. Descramblers worked when the cable TV signal was analog, but now it's digital. You cannot unscramble it. Nowadays, there are always new free TV and movie websites around. Check out ads in magazines like Popular Mechanics, popularmechanics.com, and Popular Science, popularscience.com for new stuff regarding free TV or TV piracy. Free TV and movies online. Type Putlocker into a search engine. Try OK.ru, upmovies.net, telepisodes.org, ranierland.to, fmovies24.to. Chapter 2. Satellite TV Guide. Satellite TV Knowledge. Satellite TV, also called direct broadcast satellite/DBS television, is a dish-like gadget you put on your house or in your yard to get more TV channels from satellites in space than you would with cable TV. A small dish about 2 feet long is installed outside your house. You pick which package of TV channels you want from among the options the satellite TV company offers you, then you pay a monthly fee as with cable TV. You can get 300 channels or more. Be aware that some satellite companies cannot or do not hook you up to get your local TV channels, so you either have to spring for a basic cable package or hook your TV up to an antenna to get them. There are 2 major DBS providers. DirecTV, big on sports packages, also a family pack of educational channels. Dish Network, have almost 500 channels. In order to be a savvy consumer and pick what's right for you, go through both of their offerings on channel packages and pick the best one at the best price. Prices and options are changing all the time, so check on their latest offers on their websites. The Dish Network generally gives you the dish and the equipment for free as part of the deal. You could get free installation as part of the package. If not, you either have to install the dish yourself or pay a professional to do it. You can buy satellite installation packages at electronic stores with all the instructions. You need a working phone jack near the location of the receiver. You might have to get the phone company to install some extra phone jacks in your house. The dish comes with a receiver and a remote control. You need 1 receiver for every TV you're hooking up. You might have to pay for the extra receivers and also pay a higher monthly fee. The truth is that even with 300 channels, you'll find that you only watch 5 or 6 of them regularly. A lot of TV channels are music channels, either music videos or a blank screen with music. Free satellite TV/signal theft. In Canada, satellite TV is run by Bell TV, BEV. In the United States, it's run by the Dish Network, DN. Other countries put up satellites that you can get signals from with no worry of ever being prosecuted for theft of the signal because they're so far away. They can't be bothered chasing down people who steal signals from their satellites. If you're a Canadian, it's easier for you to steal the DN signal. If you're an American, it's easier to steal the BEV signal simply because they're not going to waste their resources prosecuting a foreigner in a foreign country for stealing their signal. You can buy your own dish, like a 33/75 cm offset dish for about $50. The equipment you need is an LNBF, low noise block feed horn, a motor for the dish for those who want the option to receive signals from different satellites, or you could use multiple satellite dishes linked through a switch. Buy equipment through ebay.com and worldwidesatellites.com. The satellite positions are as follows. Bell TV, regular, Galaxy 17/Nimiq 1,2, 91.0 W. Bell TV, HD, DirecTV 3/Nimiq 4, 82.0 W. Dish Network, 1, DirecTV 5/EchoStar 10,11, 110.0 W. Dish Network, 2, DirecTV 7/EchoStar 7, 119.0 W. Dishpointer.com, enter in your city, or specific address, and select from one of the 4 available options, 91.0 W, 82.0 W, 110.0W or 119.0W, from the satellite drop-down box. These are the main satellites, but there are others you could get the signal from. Use an IKS-compatible receiver, aka Internet Card Sharing or Key Sharing. It's a service that shares working subscription cards through an internet server to provide free programming to satellite owners. It communicates with an offshore server in a foreign country to share knowledge. In the old days, you couldn't really get caught, but nowadays if you use your internet connection to hook up your satellite TV, it's easy to get caught, assuming they're looking, but it's a low-level crime. If you get caught, they probably won't do much, if anything. Go on search engines looking for Set Up Satellite TV and Set Up Free Satellite TV for technical details. Try number 621.3885 at the library for books about satellite TV. Go to Popular Mechanics magazine, popularmechanics.com. Satellite TV info resources. Satellite Broadcasting and Communication Association. 225 Rhinehurst Lane. Number 600. Alexandria, Virginia 22314. sbca.org. Direct Magazine. Orbit Magazine. POB 37045. Boone, Iowa 50037-0045. 800-285-5454, direct. 800-234-4220, Orbit. DirectMagazine.com. OrbitMagazine.com. Satellite TV websites. Satellite.info. Directway.com. amazing-satellite-tv-deals.info. Antennasonline.com. aworldconnected.org. broadcastingcable.com. KonaXSat.ca, KonaXTech.com, X receivers. DatronDBS.com. DBSDish.com. digital-forums.com. direct-dish-tv.com. directtv.com. dishpointer.com. dishuser.org. dtv100.com. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/list_of_dish_network_channels. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/satellite_TV_coverage_area_for_mobile_antennas. expertsatellite.com. ftabens.net. ftallist.com/english.hdm, a list of freebie channels/sats. geo-satellite-tv.com. hometheaterfocus.com. hwsams.com, 800-428-7267, books on satellite TVs. official-dishnetwork-online.com. openf.scom. orbitmagazine.com. satellitetv.ca. satelitska-tv.com. satelliteguide.com. scramblingnews.com. satellitetvshopping.com. satellitetv-site.com. satguide.com. sat-industry.net. sat-net.com. satworldonline.com. signalsolutions.com. skyreport.com/satlinks. spectrum-skytv.co.uk. startchoice.com. thebiastsatellite.com. tvkyzforums.com. tvkyznews.com. vmcsatellite.com. worldwidesatellites.com. The big two satellite TV providers. directtv.com. 800 directtv. 800-347-3288. dishnetwork.com. 800-333-DISH, 3474. Satellite TV products for sale. DirecTV.com 800 DirecTV Dishcover.com 877-653-7777 DishNetwork.com 800-333-DISH HNS-USA.com 800-274-8995 JVC-AMERICA.com 800-252-5722 RadioShack.com 800-843-7422 RCA Thomson Consumer Electronics 10330 N Meridian Indianapolis, Indiana 46290 800-679-4776 RCA.com Skyvision 1010 North Frontier Drive Fergus Falls, Minnesota 56537 800-500-5705 800-500-9275 800-543-3025 Skyvision.com Toshiba.com 800-457-7777